Welcome back everyone to part 2 of my replica Def 7 bumper fix overhaul thing. I'm really liking my little MacGyverism that I had going on. It worked out really well. I was able to hold the pieces in place except for this side. You can see how it's off. It's off by a lot, by like, I don't know, I want to say like 7 degrees. And I'll show it again later on in the video. See what I'm talking about. I'm just checking to make sure the resin's finally dry, because it did take about 2 to 3 weeks for that stuff to dry because it was so cold outside. This is just a recap of what I did in the last video, pretty much. Just to bolt this bumper onto my car because it was so far off. Trial and error of my little brackets. Alright, I'm going to come back in with the commentary here. This was after I did a little bit of sanding, just to get all that resin overlay off, so I can see how much more matte I had to put down. And I put a piece of cardstock on both sides there, just to have something flat for the fiberglass mat to sit on, which worked out pretty good. I like it. I'm going to do that again in the future. Now I know. And coming up, I'm going to just lay down a bunch of fiberglass mat to fill in these divot holes and just kind of smooth and layer everything out. So enjoy that for a little while, and then I'll come back with more commentary. Enjoy the music. Slow-mo. At least it looks better now that I sanded some of it. Good thing about this build, I definitely did learn a lot. As I stated earlier, I never took on such a big, I guess, repair or fiberglass repair like this before. And so it was definitely a learning experience. And look how oogle all that looks. Don't worry, nothing that a DA sander just can't take care of. And some of this I'm going to have to hand sand, as you'll see later on. that was hanging down a little bit over there on the bottom. I'm not sure you're able to see that. I was able to fix that later on. I put a few more layers on and then let it sit and sand it down smooth. And I'll just let you enjoy the music again. I kind of like this song, so enjoy watching me sand the bumper for a little while. Here's some back. Enough of me sanding. This is just a little recap after the fact, showing how it looks. I'm getting there. Not bad. See that part? I'm gonna have to do that by hand because I don't think my pencil file sander would be to get that be to fit in there. But I'm very, very, very happy with this side, how it's turning out so far. Got a couple divots, nothing that either a couple more layers of resin can't take care of, or some body filler. So I'm not too worried about it. But now I finally have a spot to bolt on the hole. That's why I had to build that other part up of resin. And it's nice and smooth. I'm very, very happy. Let's go take a look at the other side. See, I don't know if you can see in that picture, but it's off by a couple degrees. I gotta cut it and bring it back in, or turn it around, if that makes sense. These are just some, the pictures of the work I was doing throughout the build, or the fix build. I don't know what to call it. I guess fix. But hopefully next week I'll be able to finish up the bumper. I really want to finish the bumper up next week, and then I can get on welding up the hatch. I have to fix some rust on the hatch, so that'll be the video after the bumper is done. Yeah, I really like that repair. And stay tuned for the next one. Have a good one. Ciao.